The compact SUV market is more competitive than ever, and Škoda is stepping up with its best offering yet, the 2025 Škoda Karoq. With smart updates, advanced technology, and a sharp new look, the Karoq is ready to make a bold statement in 2025. Whether you're an urban explorer or a weekend adventurer, this SUV is built to deliver comfort, performance, and confidence in every journey. Let's explore what makes the new Karoq an outstanding choice in its class. The 2025 Karoq builds on Škoda's trusted engineering with a versatile lineup of efficient and responsive powertrains. At the heart of the base model is a 1.0-liter TSI 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, pushing out 115 horsepower, ideal for city commuting and light cruising. Step up, and you'll find the more popular 1.5-liter TSI Evo engine, producing 150 horsepower. This engine is equipped with cylinder deactivation technology, helping boost fuel efficiency when full power isn't needed. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on longer highway trips, the 1.5 TSI offers the perfect blend of punch and economy. For those seeking extra power, the 2.0-liter TDI diesel engine is still available, with output ranging from 150 to 190 horsepower, depending on the trim. These variants come paired with Škoda's 7-speed DSG automatic transmission, and in higher trims, the 4x4 all-wheel drive system adds exceptional traction and off-road confidence. Handling has been refined too. With reworked suspension tuning and improved chassis stiffness, the 2025 Karoq is more planted in corners and smoother over bumps. It's not just practical, it's genuinely enjoyable to drive. The interior of the 2025 Karoq is where Škoda truly shines. Step inside and you're greeted with a clean, modern layout that's both functional and premium. From soft-touch materials to ambient LED lighting, the Karoq's cabin offers a relaxing and upscale atmosphere. At the center of the dash is a new 12.9-inch infotainment touchscreen, responsive, intuitive, and loaded with features. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, real-time traffic updates, and over-the-air updates make this system as smart as it is stylish. The 10.10.25-inch virtual cockpit is now standard on most trims, allowing drivers to customize their digital instrument display to show navigation, speed, music, and vehicle data. A new gesture control feature lets you change tracks or adjust volume with a simple wave of your hand. Comfort-wise, the Karoq delivers. Optional heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, dual-zone climate control, and adjustable rear seats offer first-class flexibility and comfort. Rear seat passengers enjoy generous legroom, and the boot space starts at 521 liters, expanding to over 1,600 liters with the rear seats folded flat. Whether it's daily errands or long road trips, the Karoq's interior adapts to your life with ease. So, when can you get behind the wheel of this refined SUV? The 2025 Skoda Karoq is set to launch in Q4 2020, with European markets receiving priority access. Pre-orders are expected to open in September, with global rollout throughout early 2025. As for the price, Škoda continues to deliver excellent value. The entry-level active trim with the 1.0 TSI engine is expected to start around €29,000, making it an affordable option for families and first-time SUV buyers. Mid-range trims like the Ambition and Style, offering more tech and comfort, will range between €32,000 and €36,000, depending on the powertrain and optional features. The top-spec Sportline 4x4, featuring the 2.0 TDI engine, panoramic sunroof, and premium driver assistance systems, will likely push past €40,000. Given its balance of style, safety, practicality, and affordability, the 2025 Karoq is a solid contender in the compact SUV segment. The 2025 Skoda Karoq is not just a facelift, it's a smart, capable SUV that understands what modern drivers need. With bold styling, improved efficiency, a tech-rich cabin, and legendary Skoda practicality, the new Karoq proves that you don't have to sacrifice excitement for everyday usability. It's ready for your lifestyle, no matter where it takes you. Would you consider the 2025 Karoq as your next SUV? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews, reveals, and everything automotive.